Now, this is another set of data for THC, regular delta-9 THC. The blue line is THC dissolved in MCT oil. Now, this is on humans. So MCT oil on the full stomach. You can see it basically is delayed just like the other one, about 4 hours. So for humans, it's a little faster. Now, the red is also MCT, but on an empty stomach. And you can see that it comes in a little faster, but then it doesn't go anywhere. It just kind of comes in and then it starts to disappear on you. And this wasn't, I guess, wasn't the way that you would classically do it, but it was a self-reported high study, so we weren't very rigorous about the study. And it gave us an interesting insight. So at this point, about here, everyone just started to complain that they're really hungry, and we allowed them to eat. And guess what happened? Because on an empty stomach, it doesn't really go in, but on the full, it does. Apparently, it sits there and waits. And so we let people eat, and it came in. A little bit delayed, but here it is, 4 hours later, okay? Now, nanoemulsions, empty stomach and full stomach. Same timing as before. It's all the way up in about half an hour. You can feel it after 5 minutes. It stays flat, same thing here. And then 2 hours later, it starts to go away. 3 hours later, it's mostly gone. 4 hours later, it's completely gone. The purple line is the same on the full stomach. It's slightly delayed because something called gastric emptying. Gastric emptying is basically in the stomach, you sit and wait your turn to empty into the small intestine, hence the delay. But not much affected by the food at all. So nanoemulsions make it independent, but it's interesting that it's opposite of alcohol. So alcohol acts less on the full stomach. Nanoemulsions of cannabis act, I would say, a little more, although this difference might just be experimental error.